everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 22nd to the 26th of February 2021. Guys, finally the truth is out about Mbongeni's death. Shuba. On Monday, Sonto is hunted by her past into confessing to Tati about Mbongeni. Teddy decided to visit Durban with Zodwa and her partner on Tuesday. Tati finally learns the truth about the person behind Mbongeni's death. Gladys reaches a breaking point on Wednesday. A mysterious woman at Gladys' doorstep calls her Matsidiso, while Sonto's sleep is disrupted by an armed Tati on Thursday. Sonto's betrayal has turned Tati into something she's not. Meanwhile, Pretty gets worried about Sonto's disappearance on Friday. Sonto thinks she has convinced Tati to take her home, but Tati has other plans. Gladys hears a horrific news from her aunt. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.